Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a little bit of maintenance on your guitar's neck and the fretboard. So as we can see, it's gotten dirty. And as I'm changing the strings, this is what I usually do. I'm gonna show you how to get that cleaned up and how to put some oil on it and polish the frets. We need a couple of tools. I got a toothbrush. I got some, I'm gonna put some water over there. Just some paper, toilet paper will do fine. Then I got the tools like this. And these. And some blue tape. And I'll show you what they are for. But first of all, we're gonna start with all this buildup, oil, residue, whatever you wanna call it. And what we do with that is we just start to scrape it like that. And that's where this kind of thing comes handy. And we might actually want to put something under the neck while we're doing it, so we don't press the fret headstock against the table. I like to use the plastic one, but something like this will do fine as well. Don't press too hard, and it shouldn't do anything for your fretboard. And we of course gotta go both ways. There we go. After we're done, let's use a brush. Brush off what comes off like that. And then I'll take my toothbrush, just a little bit of, and I just use unscented soap water. And just a tiny bit of that. We don't want to get it too wet, but we're gonna do a little scrub. There we go. So that is looking much better already. All right. Yes. And then the next step. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna polish the frets a little. I'm gonna be using, I forgot, steel wool, just a little bit. And for that reason, I'm gonna tape up the pickup, so I don't want the dust on there. I use this blue tape because it doesn't leave residue. Scotch blue. When you tear it off, you can leave it on for a long time. And then if you don't have something like this, so that's what I'm using. I'm gonna put it over there, and then you could just use the paint. There's tape again, like just put it on both sides, peel it off, swap it around, and do that. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna put this on and then give the frets a little bit of a polish. And this is really fine steel wool. I'm not gonna even be pressing that much at all. And you can see I think you can see the difference in there. So that's the polished one. All right, and I'm just gonna carefully go through all them. And after that, it's time for oiling. There we go, that's done. And I do suggest after that, just vacuum with something like this and get the steel wool off there. And we are ready to oil our fretboard, of course, with a maple one. That's clear coated, no need for this. But I'm just gonna take, and this is what we've been using, purified linseed oil. Good stuff. odorless. I don't recommend using the citrus oil or anything scented, or the stuff that they sell in guitar stores for your fretboard. And what we do, we just start rubbing it on. Get it on there like that. Let it soak for a moment, and then we'll come and wipe the excess off. There we go. That looks nice. We got rid of all the crap on there. And it's ready for some new strings. So yeah, that's my cleaning tip for your fretboard. A little bit of fret polish and just getting rid of all the buildup from your dirty fingers. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if there's anything else you want to know in the comments, and I'll see what I can do. All right.